Good morning. It's Friday, November 17th, about 6 a.m. Central Time. Overnight, the precious metals are higher after yesterday's breakout rally. Silver gold's up $5, 1992. Silver silver's up 15 cents, 24.08. Silver copper unchanged at 370, and January platinum up $7 at 909. So fresh signs of an economic slowdown are pulling interest rate cut expectations forward. The CME Fed Watch tool is already pricing in the first interest rate cut as early as May. That's really what the bottom in this precious metals just recently here has been contributed to. So you saw everything from CPI, PPI, retail sales, now an uptick in initial claims. All the factors are happening that could justify the Federal Reserve cutting rates rather than raising rates going forward. So really the outlook is, hey, we've already pivoted and we're starting to price in that first interest rate cut. That's the tailwind behind the precious metals. Now, yesterday we did see a massive sell-off in crude oil. It was a combination of things. It was the December crude oil options expiring and also summer crude oil futures rolling over to January. Now, when you do go into these recessions or these soft landings, you do see that demand structure come down just a bit. Now, inventories have been building. Iran has been producing. Venezuela also has a 6-month reprieve on their sanctions, so they are providing some additional output that wasn't there. So those are the bearish tailwinds that are happening right now. However, crude oil futures, if you look here in the overnight session, you go to January, up 1% here, trading right around $74. Now, looking at the structure here on the gold and silver market, they both flipped to a bullish trend. Gold always was a bullish trend here since that latest breakout back in, call it the October 18th rally. So since then, we've been pushing up, broke out, almost got to new contract highs, that 2020 level, sold off back to the 50-day moving average, 1944. That's going to be your critical level support. Everything from 1950 down to about 1938. That's where your pocket support lies at. Your resistance point, we've gotten above of the 200-day moving average, 1981, trading at 1992 as of this recording. So 2000 is going to be your first level resistance, and then 2020 after that. You go to the silver market, finally triggered a bullish trade trigger here yesterday, and now we've got a little bit of an extension upwards here today. So your first level support, 200-day moving average, 23.78. Below that's going to be $23 down to the 50-day moving average, 22.86. And then below that, 22.13 is your critical level support. So looking at the outside markets, you do have the U.S. equities. They are pushing up here a bit, kind of consolidating at the moment. Many of the grain markets are a bit lower. You look at 10-year treasury yields, we're trading just about 4.41%. So they've been coming down quite a bit in the U.S. dollar index under pressure, down 19 at 104.04. If you have any questions, give me a call, 312-858-7303. Remember, futures and option trading does involve risk of loss, may not be suitable to all investors. Good luck, good trading.